Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on Instagram. So here, the very first thing that we should do is we have to sign up for an Instagram account. So if you already have your Instagram account and you want to use it as a platform where you can upload and share your products, so you can sell them. Okay, so right here on the other tab, we also have the Amazon. And if you notice, we have this influencers and associate site stripe at the top. That is because we have created our account on Amazon affiliate program. So we can get the link of any products from Amazon that we can use and then get our commission when we sell those products using our link. So I'm going to show you on how you can do that. But first, make sure that you have created your Instagram account already. Okay, after that, right here in Instagram, you have to upload your own photos. Okay, and then right here, as you can see, we have this share first photo because I just created this account, and the add profile photo because we don't have a profile picture yet here on our Instagram account. Okay, so now right here, just open another tab, and then you just have to type out Amazon affiliate program. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this first website. Just have to click on this one. That's right. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see right here, we already have an account. Okay, so when you click on that website, okay, you will be redirected to a new page, and then you just have to follow all of the steps so you can create your Amazon associate account. So once you've done that, when you go back to your Amazon account or to the Amazon website, you can now see this influencers and associate site stripe, especially the get link option. Okay, so make sure that the account that you are using on your Amazon is the same account when you create the Amazon associates. Okay, so they will just be connected. Okay, so after that, right here on Amazon, what we are going to do here is to find products that we are going to share using our Instagram. Okay, so our goal here is to find trending products and affordable products that we can use. Okay, so right here, you have here the different categories. Okay, so we have here the categories. If you want to find a specific products, you can also go here or use the search bar at the top. For example, you are looking for water bottle, mirrors, or like men's clothing or women's clothing. So you're just going to select mirror right here. Okay, and then just have to find the product that you think is trending and you think that would sell using your Instagram account. Okay, so after that, right here, you have the full details of this product. So here we have the images of this product. We also have a video for this one. Okay, so I'm just going to close it. And then what we're going to do next is to download all of the images of this product. Okay, so you just have to click on it, and then you just have to save the images. Okay, that's right. You just have to save it on your files. So I'm going to download this one as well to get more images. So just save the images on your files. Okay, so just click on save. And then for the last one, I'm going to include this one as well. Okay, so you just have to save it one by one. Okay, so in doing this, we don't actually need any drop shipping tool to share this product because we already have our Amazon associate account. Okay, so after that, make sure to not close this section. What we're going to do here now is to go back on your Instagram tab. Okay, so right here, just click on the create option. That's right, and here you have to select or drag the photos and videos that you have downloaded from Amazon. So you just clicked on the select from computer. Okay, I'm going to select everything right here. Okay, so you just have to select them all and click on open. Okay, so we have here now the products. And now for the ratio, I'm just going to select 1 by 1 or 4 by 5. So I'm just going to select 1 by 1 for this one and then check the other images as well. After that, click on next. Okay, so here you can change the filters and then you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the fade, and etc. So now just click on next after that. And right here, what you're going to do is to just type out the name of this product or simply type out buy this product or get this product. Okay, so I'm just going to type out buy this product. Okay, and then you have to put here the link. Okay, so you can now go back here on Amazon. So here we have the name of the product, but I'm just going to get the link directly. Then we have here now the short link and the full links. I'm just going to copy the short link and then go back to Instagram. So here you just have to paste the link. Okay, so make sure to paste here the link. After that, we can now add here the details of the product. So I'm just going to include the title. That's right. Okay, so we can also include here buy this product on Amazon. Okay, now after that, you can add location, add collaborators, and we also have here the advanced settings. Okay, so make sure to not turn off the commenting section. After that, you just have to click on share. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once this post is posted on your Instagram account and that you have followers and people will see this account of yours and of course all of your posts, then when they visit your link, they'd be directed to Amazon using your link. So when they purchase this specific product using your link, then you will get your commission on Amazon Sidetrack. So as you can see right here, we cannot highlight the link of this product. Okay, now what we are going to do is to go back on Amazon. Okay, and then get the link of this product once again. So we have to copy the link and then go back to Instagram and then we can comment it right here and then we have to type out buy this product or get this product. Okay, so we just have to paste here now the link and then when you click on post, okay, we can now see here the link of the product. So when they copy this link right here through the comment section and then paste it in their tab, so they will be directed to this specific product and you will get your commission once they purchase this product. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.